I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics right. Make sure your AirPods Pro 3 and iPhone are updated and pair them now. Once paired, open Settings, Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods. This gives access to key audio features. Enable headphone accommodations for tonal shaping and turn on spatial audio only if you want 3D imaging. Do this first because EQ adjustments interact with those features. If they are off, you'll misjudge bass and clarity when you move through the next steps. Once done with pairing and accessibility, go to Settings, Music EQ, and choose a starting preset such as Bass Booster or Treble Booster. This gives you a predictable bass line. Then return to Accessibility, Headphone Accommodations, and customize the tone. Boost highs for clarity or mids for vocal presence. Play a reference track at moderate volume and listen for muddiness, sibilance, or lacking bass. Make note so you can compensate when using third-party apps or a parametric EQ. Now fine-tune using a parametric EQ app or a music player with a 10-band EQ. Apply small steps, typically plus or minus 2 to 4 dB per band, because AirPods are sensitive. Emphasize 100 to 300 Hz for bass control, 1 to 3 kHz for vocal clarity, and 2 to 6 kHz for presence. Reduce narrow peaks to remove harshness. Once satisfied, test across songs and volumes. If sound is unstable, reset the AirPods, repair, and make sure spatial audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.